Hello everyone, welcome to our new lecture. We are learning chapter number 8 of mathematics, that is quadrilaterals, construction and its types. Okay, so in the previous lecture we have seen how we can construct the quadrilateral, okay, and we have gone through three different methods. Now in this particular lecture we are going to deal with the another method wherein we will be provided with the dimension of three sides and two angles. Okay, so let us see how we can construct a quadrilateral if we have the length of three sides and the measurement of two angles, okay, as the given data. And this is the method number 4 that we are going to deal with. So I will write down the question first. So question is, construct quadrilateral PQRS such that QR is equal to 5 centimeter, RS is equal to 6.2 centimeter, okay, then SP is equals to 4 centimeter, then major angle R is given to us and which is 62 degrees, and major angle S is given to us which is 75 degrees. Okay, so let us see how we can construct this quadrilateral. So first of all, I will draw the rough figure. Okay, so I will take this triangle as PQRS. RS is 6.2 centimeter. Okay, then QR is given which is 5 centimeter, SP is 4 centimeter, okay, and major angle R which is 62 degree, and major angle S it is 75 degree. Okay, so this is the rough figure. And keep in mind, while solving any construction question when you have to construct a geometrical figure, okay, in that question rough figure is important. It carries half mark, but more than that it gives us the idea of how we can construct the given geometrical figure. Okay, so it is very much important. So now I will consider the SR first. Okay, so the length of SR is 6.2 centimeters. So I am going to draw this length, okay, which is 6.2 centimeter. Now you can see I have drawn this side first, okay, as we have been provided with angle S, okay, and angle R. So this is my SR which is 6.2 centimeter. Now again I'm going to draw the two angles, okay, which is angle S and angle R. So angle S is given which is 75 degree. So let us draw this angle 75 degree, okay, which is over here, and I will draw the ray, okay, from point S, and I will name it as ST. Now let us draw the another angle which is angle R, and it is 62 degrees. So I will place the protector, okay, on point R and properly aligned to the line SR, okay, and then we will draw the angle R which is 62 degree. Okay, and again I am going to draw a ray from point R, and I will name this ray as RU. Okay, now we have been provided with the dimension of SP which is 4 centimeter and QR which is 5 centimeter. So what we will do, we will take the length of 4 centimeter in the compass, okay, for drawing the side SP. So let us take this distance of 4 centimeter. Okay, I will place the pointer of the compass on point S and I will draw an arc intersecting the ray ST. Okay, and this is my point P, which is 4 centimeter. Okay, so PS is 4 centimeter. Then I will take the distance of 5 centimeter in the compass. Okay, and again I will draw an arc on the ray RU. Okay, so this has given me point Q, and QR is 5 centimeter. Now we have got the 2 points P and Q, and we can join them. Okay, and thus we will complete the quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, where PS is 4 centimeter, SR is 6.2 centimeter, QR is 5 centimeter, angle R is 62 degree. Okay, and angle S is 75 degrees. Okay, so in this way we have constructed the given quadrilateral. Okay, when we have the dimension of 3 sides and 2 angles. So this was the fourth method where we have seen the construction of quadrilateral. Okay, so your homework will be, you have to complete the practice set 8.1. There are in all 4 questions, and these 4 questions are on the basis of the methods that we have studied. Okay, so all the 4 methods are going to be used in this 4 questions. Okay, so try to solve that practice set, and in the next lecture we are going to see the different types of quadrilaterals and their construction. So we will meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.